replacing the old soffit fascia with new Hardie Soffit Fascia. Cutting the size. There's the old 2x4 rotted. We're going to replace that with some new 2x4. After rebuilding the top gable with Hardie fascia, we're installing a new drip metal. Yeah, we found some rotted 1x4s on the corner of the chimney, and the bottom of the siding is a little bit questionable, so we're going to fix that as well. There's the new Colonial Hardie plank. Comes with a Prime Plus primer on it, better than the original. We went ahead and changed out the 1x4 on the front side of the chimney, along with 3 Hardie planks on the back side of the chimney. I'm going to have the gutter guy put in the new gutter right here at this juncture. A lot of water came in, rotted everything out. No extra charge for this. A smaller type of stone or some concrete needs to be filled in there instead. Not all the way up to the siding though. This is an avenue for termites that have the dirt all the way up to the siding. So this corner is rotted too. There's the bottom of the board. Rotted 1x6, putting a new one up. There we go. Went ahead and put a couple new pieces of Colonial Hardie plank. Here's the finished product with the Hardie 1x12s and 1x10s. Once it's all caulked and painted, it'd be like brand new. Updated, and all the Hardie soffit and fascias in place, ready for gutters. Here we see the new 1x6 Hardie plank. I cut a bevel on the very top so the water will run off. Not that the Hardie's ever going to rot, but that wood did. And here's the final chimney repair. We put a, that's called a kick out, so the water runs inside the new gutter and away from that corner. We replaced some of the Hardie plank on that chimney. As you could see, all the Hardie Soffit Fascia is completed, and we went ahead and amazingly got rid of all this debris. There was a lot of it. And we took down the vines that were all over. Took down some of the cables that were non-existent, that made the house look so ugly. And all the construction part of the job is done. Now all we need to do is just paint, pressure wash and paint, and gutters, downspouts, and we're done. Also, we went ahead and replaced a new Hardie 1x6 and caulked it up. I ripped a 45-degree angle so the water doesn't get behind that 1x6 like it did before. Nice new corner, always looks good versus wood. It's Hardie Trim 1x6. And here is the final chimney siding repair. All that was rotted because the big old rock was right there in the corner. No gutter, all the water pouring into there, rotted that Hardie siding, and a big stone was over the top, so that's all been corrected. And the siding in this corner has been replaced as well, and we did put a kick out that's going to work really well for the water to go into the new gutter. Here's the new window box with the Hardie Trim, a better design, helps keep the water out. We used 1x12s at the bottom, Hardie 3/4 inch 1x12s, and Hardie 1x4s and 1x10s to fill in everything in between, along with soffit fascia, vented soffit fascia all the way around. Whole house. That's what a window box, 2-story Hardie Trim window box. And we also put Hardie soffit underneath. Took out the old one that was water damaged. And here's how the front of the house gable turned out. The fascia was damaged on the corners. I guess animals got into it, along with the 1x4s, and it's all been replaced and painted.